Welcome back to another video, guys. Out here on the farm, and we are going to be doing an update on the land, kind of the goals and plans for this year. We have a lot of dirt to move. We have a lot of stumps to remove. We're going to be hiring someone to do that because I just can't do it. So I'm going to spin you around, show you some stuff. You can see our outhouse is still doing good behind us here. And yeah, let's go for a walk. So as you can see behind me, all this grown up area runs all the way to the front of the property. We have about 180 yards that we need to clean up. And now I can't get the brush hog in here and the tractor because it's just too tight. So we're going to have a bulldozer come in here and basically plow it over. Most of these stumps are going to be about, I don't know, under 12 inches. We have quite a few, but this whole area is going to be cleaned out. Up by the outhouse, we're going to be putting a shop, so we're going to get that leveled out. We want to get our own water system, a rain collection water system that feeds off of the shop through the gutters. So we're going to have water. We're going to be doing solar power. And of course, we have the outhouse, and we're going to get all this cleaned up. The wife is going to be doing bees. She's going to be doing some videos on those. So that's kind of exciting. First time, we've never done it. But we're going to put some bees somewhere right in here. We have corn. We're going to be picking up a plow here in about another month. And we're going to bring that tractor out here, plow some food plots, corn, clover, and a ton of wildflowers for the bees. So one other thing we have to do is get this wood pile cleaned up. I like all the wood, but it hasn't been moved in a while. We need to get it all cut and split. So we're gonna be getting a splitter, probably borrowing one, and spin all day and get this loaded on the trailer and get it out of here. We have trees, piles everywhere. We need to get those burnt. Alrighty, so this is the pond area. Now it is pretty shallow, but the good thing is that it holds water all the time. We get lots of animals that come down here. We have turtles. We have, of course, a ton of frogs, and everything pretty much drinks out of here. Hopefully I can get that tree out of the water, get that thing cut up. I don't know if you can see my deer stand still sitting over there. We're gonna be leaving that up all year. We have a couple brush piles over here that we're gonna get this burned and hopefully create a nice little area for deer and turkey next year. So this is what we're dealing with here. We have all this tall stuff, just like I showed you up there. This has stumps in it as well. Now from where we just were all the way down to here, which goes almost to the fence there, we got 182 yards, and I counted 50 stumps that I want removed. So I don't know how expensive that's going to be. A lot of these are less than 12 inches. They're not huge stumps at all. A lot of them are little, and I'll show you right here. So a lot of them are little like this, and I kind of want a bulldozer just to come in here and make one pass and push over as much as possible. And that is the start of all of this. And it's going to be like a hobby farm. A little mini. Alrighty, guys, hope you enjoyed the little update on the mini farm homestead that we're going to be starting this year. If everybody has a goal, you should put it on paper. We've done it with trucks, we've done it with homes and different things, and then you can always look for and work towards those goals. Now we're going to make a new one. I will put it up. We're going to edit some pictures, and I will post a picture in here. So we'll leave you there. Once again, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.